Daddy? Yeah, you know this, no? Suck pussy out for this little boy. Yeah, see your tongue on your tongue, right? DJ Black Boy!
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Bless upon yourself first and foremost. I will on there with the latest mix up and mix downs. You see me? So if you're not subscribers yet, please consider in doing so, cause the door is always open. Yes, sir. Hey, and you know someone never tell no lie. With dancehall artists, them and public figures at Jamaica go hard for Valentine's, you know. Pray that Chucky. Me for telling you people, me I tell you, yeah man, we public figures and dancehall artists go hard for Halloween. Cause the spice they enjoy herself, man I go tell no lie. Alongside Carly, one of our best friend. You see me? So who remember who? Even she have something to say, you see me? Who? Yeah, people, when vibes turn up, you know. It can't hide, you see me? Yeah, man, I'm love to see how the culture get rep. People just know what go on your side.
Watch my friend. Watch Wonder Woman.
Yeah.
Watch Pretty.
Yeah.
Look over yourself. Watch Sexy Body.
Yo, Tiana Taylor, you drunk. Good party. We had a motherfucking good time, bitch.
Talk out to your clean mouth, Carly. With your good hole and your good stomach. Or whatever love like the day. Yeah, my friend. You come out strong. Yeah. Yeah, Carly. Yeah.
Yeah, so viewers and the subscribers, today a expert birthday, right? And we, you know, we did hear say on November the 4th them are gonna get married. So we hear say wedding never put off so far. You see me? So it go for settings early.
Over the concentrate sweat, boss him. Dog under 24. Yo, look heavy and turn up in that man head.
Yeah, people saw him chip it off early, not a bad look. Don't know how wish best, but nothing but the best for people, especially among us, cause it kinda sticky out here, you see me? So anyways guys, what about the wedding? It's supposed to be 2 days from now, so me hear say them gonna get married the same way. When I need to tell me what I'm going. Otherwise, anything I get new, me I come make you know, you know. Come there, I watch you see, we want to see. You see me? Anyways, Donna help out the Jamaican people.
Come on, see, we get mad for me. Hold on there. Miss Marcia.
Yeah, I'm number 472 5060.
Alright, 876 472 50 60.
Yes.
Alright, Miss Marcia, all the best. When you get your husband, you call me and make me know.
No, she's going to call and get everything.
Alright. Alright. I wouldn't want nobody come eye glow and just out with you. I don't want no picnic for you. Because this is no picnic show. This is a receipt. Alright. Alright, yes.
I love you.
Love you. Alright, anybody want anybody who no call a free social media is Lord Jesus, what a pretty one here. Yes, hello, good evening. Hello? Hello, good evening. Our phone are reconnect. Hold on there. Let me take that. Let's call him. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, good evening.
Hold on, let me turn on
The phone I go like crazy, yes.
I'm calling to get somebody for my nephew.
For your son?
My nephew.
Your nephew? So what happened to your nephew in no mouth? Then he can't look come on then. For them a young girl you no want go to nobody.
He's in the I sent you his number.
Alright, alright, give us a little insight about your nephew.
He's 28. He's very tall and handsome. He's a very hardworking young man.
So where I'm living?
He's in the country. He's in St. Mary.
Oh, in St. Mary. So
He
what?
lost his mother like 2 years ago. She was in the process of styling before him. And she lost it. She actually, it was accidental death, you know. And but he's a trying young man. He's a very trying young man.
So why you take it up by your head to look a girl for him?
Because he asked me to prior before your program, prior before your marriage.
So where you want the girl from? Jamaica or foreign or St. Mary? We're at St. Mary or Jamaica too.
Overseas will be good.
Okay, so you want somebody from overseas?
Yeah. You WhatsApp, I sent you the number. I sent it.
Alright, put out the number. Because me lady the amount of message in this I go down with Jesus Christ can come from heaven and look upon them. Tell put out the number, make them call him. Somebody up there again, man. One Christian man come.
Okay.
Alright, look at who go interview.
Okay, his number is
Who you there? So I'm fine, yeah. Oh, one Christian man out there want a wife. Alright, go on there. I soon come out there and sit right there.
I'm giving you the number now.
Yes.
1876 871
1876 871
68
68
8768.
Alright. Where you say your name?
His name is Andre.
Hold on, let me put it down in the line here. Okay.
Hello?
I'm coming.
Okay.
Andrew. Where you say name? What number go? Oh.
Andre.
Okay. Yes, and him number, oh.
876
Hold on.
871
876
71
71
871
Oh, 876 871 phone a ring on
8768.
8768
Yes.
Alright. I hope Andre get a wife. Master, me a come.
My husband is married and he's not Muslim.
Okay.
I want to marry him. He's already married and he's not Muslim.
Okay. Oh, your husband is already married. Alright, excuse me there.
No. Person I like, he's already married and he's not Muslim.
Okay, me understand.
Married two people.
Sit down back, sir. Sit down at your time. We don't wanna. We have a nice looking clean man here. I don't have to say my cream. Alright, ma'am. I put out your nephew number. Sit up, sir. You're well clean. I have a church one right here. Well clean. Lancashire when I put him up. I don't want no laughing him. Well clean, well handsome, well dark chocolate. I mean, no love for you, no love catch you, no kin of fire. No don't watch me when me a laugh. For them sit laughing for me, you understand? So I'm going to introduce him. Alright, don't bother sweat up now. Put the holy kerchief one side. Don't want to sweat up nothing. Sit up and talk what you want and you're going to give your name. Remember, I give you you was watching the live? Oh, that means you know about the disclaimer. Alright, me put you out there. Talk about yourself. Look in the camera, turn on, make them see your face. Nobody so look darkish. Alright, talk about yourself, sir.
I'm William Johnson. I'm single.
Yes.
Wife. 25.
So you're how old?
25.
Yeah, 25, you look more mature, man. So you come out in the rain and say you're serious. Because you left your yard, rain and fall and you come out. So talk a little bit about yourself, what type of work you do, etc., etc. You don't get no husband yet? Oh, all right, y'all. All right.
Construction work.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, I'm a Christian.
Are you then called Brocky? Oh, I never know. Me hear about the name Brocky. Yeah, this is Brocky, a Christian. Looking at, you want a Christian wife. All right, a woman of God, a woman of valor. All right, go and talk. Say, where you want the woman from, abroad here or here? Where you want her? America, England, Japan, Spain, China? So why you want a foreign one?
The thing, I try a lot out here. I try a lot out here from Jamaica. Sometimes it don't work out.
Okay.
Think I want to try something.
Okay. So you don't see none in the church where you like?
Honestly, yeah. But I don't feel like it's gonna work out.
Oh, so you want to look something different. All right, you're honest and truthful. So put out, what you're looking for in a woman?
Well, I am looking somebody who will be there when I'm down. Somebody who, when my job is like an half an hour.
So what kind of job you do?
Construction. Like sometimes you get the work while you.
Yes.
Sometimes the work gone down to nothing like that. So when you fall on my feet, be there.
No.
Not run away.
Okay. So at the planka show, make you clean up your nice clean self so and come out. You must get a wife for you well put together. Alright, talk out your number. What your name again? Odien Johnson. Alright, let me put out your number. Wait, Odien. For you to get a wife, because you come out in a rain well clean. Odien. Let me just put up Odien. All I want is Odien. And what is you say your number again, Odien? 417 0388. 417 03. Let me see if you're right. 876. You shorter one. 417. Yeah, it's 0388. Alright, you can call Odien. Sit down right there, Odien. Let me see if you get any on spot. For people like your type, yeah, there. No, sir! You know what fast on it takes. Trouble. Yep. I love this show. Hey, Tajay.
I'm fine.
I love this.